Old father lay quiet in his bed. His 3 sons argued in the yard. They quarreled morning, noon, and night. Over chores, over bread, over nothing. "You took my bread," the eldest cried. "I did not," shot back the youngest. The middle one shouted at them both. "You're both wrong. Listen to me." Through his window, father watched. His heart grew heavy and quiet sad. Then a soft thought came to him. "I'll show them. I'll show them today." He bound up sticks with tightly tied rope, slim and brown, a tidy little bunch. "Come here, my dear sons," he called. They stepped inside, hush in their hearts. He held the bundle up high. "Try, break this bundle for me, please." The eldest grinned. "I'll do it first." He grasped the bundle, firm and tight. He pushed, he pulled, he strained hard. His arms shook, but the sticks held strong. At last he set the bundle down. "Father, I cannot break it." "Let me try," the middle son said. He grabbed the bundle with both hands. He bent his back. He squeezed his eyes. The bundle bent, but did not break. He sighed and let his arms go slack. "It cannot be done. I give up." "My turn," chirped the youngest son. His eyes were bright. His grip was firm. He pressed and pressed with all his heart, but the bundle held just as before. All 3 stood, breathing hard and slow. The little bundle lay unbroken. Father smiled and softly nodded. "Now, watch what I will show you." He loosened the rope with steady hands. The sticks fell free across the bed. Each snapped a single stick with ease. Crack, crack, crack. 3 little sounds. Years passed, but the bundles stayed in their hearts. 3 sticks always stronger as one.